Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. Haven't you been tired of buying serums, they're not working? I keep saying this, buying oil, they're not working. That is why I bring a lot of oils. Like these days, I will be giving you different type of oil you've not seen before. I know you all know beauty series. Okay, look at it. You know beauty series. This is the real beauty series. If you don't know this one, look at it. Beauty series whitening oil. This one is industrial, not that small one. You can see it on the screen. Not the small one. This is the industrial one, and trust me, this one is like 10 times stronger. When I mean 10 times stronger than that small one, 10 times stronger. Use it, and like it have its own usage. Okay, like how you don't just use it like the way you use that small one and you turn it parallel. Some say yet I still don't know what this one. You dare not use it like that because it's very strong. This oil, beauty series whitening oil, it's very strong. It's stronger than that small one you all know about, that beauty series. And trust me about it, this oil you can't find it anywhere. Look at it. You cannot. You can only place order and get it from Austin Global. Are you getting it? Because all these are just original, and trust me, it's not in Nigeria. Like for those of us who say I go get that from my customer, I go get that. It's no way. If anybody go give you this, I told you before, meaning your product won't work, meaning you're not gonna see results because it's a fluke. But if you get this, if you know, look at it. And for those who buy from us in bulk, yes, you can get from them also, because yes, it's available now. It's available, and it's only sold on 1 liter. You can buy above 10 liter, 20 liter, no problem. But the least you can get it is 1 liter as this. And trust me, this oil is very strong. You don't need to like pour it all over your lotion to before you see result. No, just with drop you see result. With drop you see result. And it have its own dosage, its own usage, like as I told you. And then again, no side effect. Rather, the way it is, you can use it for your skin. No be say like, yes, you can use it to your skin direct, because this oil is really worked on. It's really original. Every side effect in every oil that you do, they are not found in here. Rather, it's a repair oil. This oil alone, let me tell you, is multi additives. When I mean multi additives, like a lot of us that will be putting oils, putting powders, putting tubes, putting a lot of acid to make this oil. Is, I told you, is a whitening oil, and at the same time is a treatment oil. In as much you have green vein, it controls your green vein. In as much you have melasma, you have eczema, you have pimples, you have a lot of things you've got in your body that you know that you can't even expose your skin out anymore. This oil will flush them out. That's why I said this oil is a multi-additive oil. Beauty series whitening oil is a multi-additive oil because it does a lot. The only thing that I know that yes, that you really need to pay attention to right now is this oil. And if you pay attention to this oil, with this oil you will really get more customers. Then for us that is using it personally, with this oil, your problem will be solved. For most of us that they say, I can't open my skin anymore in the public, I can't put on short because you'll be using some bleaching oils and other. With this oil, you can repair your skin back. Can't you see the way I'm looking? This is the oil I've begun to use. So I will always also want to have you use this oil. That is why I'm telling you the good gospel. You can check us on Instagram. You can check all of our testimonies. Are you getting? You can check us on YouTube, on TikTok as well. Check us and see good reviews about our product. So I'm not just here try to make fun of you. No, 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 not at all. Rather, I'm telling you, stop wasting money. Stop wasting money. At least if you're not tired of spending your money negatively, I said I'm tired of you spending your money negatively. So spend your money wisely, positively. In other words, get the right product, all right, so that you can save some money. Get the right product. So I've told you about this oil. Do not waste time. For us that we really want to get this oil in a large quantity, you can really go into this thing, yes, and know that this is original oil. You can be distributing also. You can contact us if you want to distribute. Fine, you can contact us because we have them in a large quantity. You know what I mean? We have them in large quantity. I'll be sampling a lot of oils, serums, and all that, but this one is really unique. When I say unique, all right, this is what you can count on. It's a repair oil also, all right. For some of us, like we'll be trying to get a very nice oil in a large quantity, or that we can produce a large quantity also. This is the right oil you can use. None of your client gonna complain, oh, my skin, I've got a lot of blemishes. Like some people, when they buy a new thing, you see a reaction on their body. No, no side effect. Rather, it will solve problem because it's a repair oil. Are you getting it? And inside of, despite of that, we have other serums, other oils that you can be also getting that will really help you a lot, make you go a long way. Because when your products are good, people will contact you because your products are good. But when your products are not good, that is where you lose your customers. True or false? Yes, because if people see your product is working very well, always want to patronize you more and more. So if you know that you have that problem all the time, that you be getting oils that are not working, now this is the period, this is the time that you have to contact Austin Global Cosmetic and skincare. You see, this beauty series is one in time. It's only found in Austin Global. Don't let anybody tell you lies that, oh, I have it. No, have you seen this before? You that you even thinking about it, have you seen this before? Look at the beauty series. You only be seeing beauty series in a small bottle, but now this is a beauty series in 1 liter. Are you getting it? And we have it much in tons of drums in there. So if you want to get it in as far wherever you are, we ship to you worldwide. Wherever you are, we ship to you. Name it: Europe, Asia country, UK, US, Canada, around the globe, we ship to you. And trust us, because when I mean that our product, they are all right. They are all right. I've got a lot of product I will be showing you this period, because tomorrow I will still gonna show you another one that you've not seen before. We have a lot of oils, okay? So because I know that when your product works, you get more customers. So make sure you get the right product from us so that you can get more customers, and your product also will speak more of you. All right, so retalk, trust us. For those of us who want to do training, you can call us also via the number on your screen. Bye.